उसे कौन देख सकता कि यगाना है वो यकता। उसे कौन देख सकता कि यगाना है वो यकता। जो दुई की बू भी होती कहीं दो चार होता। मिर्जा असदुल्ला बेग खान गालिब। Who can see him? For he is unique, one of a kind. If there were any duality in him, won't him we somewhere find? While this share is very easy to understand from the point of monotheism, that is, there is one God, but delve a bit deeper, and you will find Mirza Ghalib philosophizing and rejecting the thought of there being another. Also, the use of the idiom do char hona, meaning coming face to face, makes even this philosophical share very easy to understand, very colloquial, something Mirza Ghalib was a master of. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.